This auction is for a Gerber suspension multi-tool. It does come with the sheath in great condition. The multi-tool has a few features on it. It has the serrated knife. Also has can opener. Flathead screwdriver. Scissors. And these scissors are tension mounted, so you have some resistance there whenever you're cutting. It also has a saw, Phillips head screwdriver, another flathead screwdriver, and a non-serrated knife. Of course, it also opens up with a tension pliers. So this is a really cool item to have. And as you can see, it's not very tough to open up and get out the little units. I did it with one hand. Keep checking us with our other auctions and in our eBay store. Get it now upon 1500. Thanks.